Marayong railway station is located on the Richmond line, serving the Sydney suburb of Marayong. It is served by Sydney Trains T1 Western and T5 Cumberland line services. History: Marayong Station opened on 2 October 1922. The line between Marayong and Quakers Hill was duplicated in 2002 and Marayong Station was upgraded the following year. Platforms and services. Transport links. Busways operates one route via Marayong Station. S12 to Quakers Court. Marayong Station is served by one nitride route. N71. Richmond Station to City. Town Hall. Track plan. References. External links. Media related to Marayong Railway Station at Wikimedia Commons. Marayong Station details Sydney Trains.